That's you. You're so narcissistic. You know, always gonna have your face in there. It's like, it's two of us. It's both of us, not just you. It's not all about you. Oh, that was dumb. Gross. Okay, let's share something to this video. Let's make it you and me instead of just you. Okay, what's outside? What's outside? We're supposed to be watching for bad guys. Oh, we're supposed to be watching for bad guys and then barking. See any? Do you see any? I don't. Okay, so we're safe. Is that why you're not barking? Good. Good boy. Good boy. You're my hero. I'll make you a cape. Who's that? That's the mailman. Should we bark at him? Should we bark at him? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we'll definitely bark at him when he comes. There he is. See him? See him? The mailman. The mailman. We'll bark him. We'll bark him up. We will bark him up. Okay, keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. Don't let him deke you out. Oh, there he goes. There he is. He's gonna be coming here. Don't take your eyes off him. I don't trust him. Oops. I don't trust him. Keep your eyes on him. There he is. Where's he going? Where's he going? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Okay, he's gone. He's gone. I think he scared him. Good. Good job. Good job. Back to resting. Okay, rest up. Good job.